Picture this: a common industrial robot arm, not an Optimus robot, going rogue and pinning an engineer against a surface. Sounds like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? But this incident is not a Hollywood plot. It's a real-world event that unfolded in a Tesla factory in Austin, Texas, back in 2021. An engineer was reportedly grabbed and pinned by a robot while running software updates. The situation was so severe that the engineer was left bleeding until another worker intervened, pressing the emergency stop button. Now, fast forward to present day 2023, and the incident is making headlines again, with Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, criticizing media reports of a robot attack. In a world where automation holds the promise of revolutionizing manual labor and creating a future of abundance, safety concerns remain paramount. This incident, though involving a common robot arm and not the much-anticipated Optimus robots, underscores the potential risks associated with automation. Musk's defense of the Optimus robots is not surprising. These robots, Tesla believes, could revolutionize manual labor. However, Tesla's factories have been plagued with safety complaints in the past. Incidents of incomplete injury reports in California, safety weaknesses in China, and claims of lacking safety provisions in Germany have all been reported. This recent incident brings to light the importance of adequate safety measures in factories where automation is prevalent. It's a stark reminder that while automation is a boon, it can also pose significant risks if not handled with caution. As for the implications of this incident, it sends a clear message to industries worldwide about the need for stringent safety measures and robust emergency response systems. It also brings into focus the responsibility of manufacturers like Tesla and KUKA, the manufacturer of the robot arm involved in the incident, to ensure the safety of their workers. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a future dominated by automation, incidents like these provide valuable lessons. They highlight the need for balance between rapid technological advancement and the preservation of human safety. As the debate around automation continues, one thing is clear: safety must not be compromised at any cost. As of now, Tesla and KUKA have yet to comment on the incident. The world waits for their response. Until then, we must continue to question, to analyze, and to learn from these incidents. After all, the future of automation depends on it.